Yo, what's going on YouTube? Got a quick little upgrade air filter. I don't know, it's probably been here forever since I bought it. I know I haven't changed it, so I'm gonna switch out, put another air filter up in here. 04 grand Marquis. The work car, fluffy. I got this air filter off Amazon. That's the part number. You know, I just got the cheapest one they had on there. Some simple stuff. Some kind of performance stuff and nothing like that. It's just a work car. An air filter switch, that's simple. No mechanical skills to change this. Anybody can do this. Yeah, y'all hit the subscribe button, man. Y'all jump in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy KV. Got some more stuff coming, man. Probably finna go try to get this fuel filter switched out for it. Just a few minor things to keep from running bad. So you can keep jumping that highway. So you can keep hitting these car wash fixes. Yo, YouTube, what's up? Your boy KV's. I'm up here at the little mechanical box up in Jersey, New Brunswick to be exact. About to get a little fuel filter did on my Grand Marquis, aka Fluffy. You know what I'm saying? A little maintenance work, I guess you can call it. But yeah, man, it's one of the spots I come to, little poppies and stuff. Little small, little minor stuff. I come here and let them do it and stuff. Just a quick fuel filter. We got new tires and rims like 2 weeks ago. I got them down in Philadelphia. Yeah, that's how it goes. Like, this the car that make the money, so you gotta take care of little stuff like this. It's been a good car. I only paid $2,000 for this car.
Se bajó. Sí, la que al otro lado me asusté. Esa vez. Ay, ya vi como en el desarmador.
And this right here, that's the fuel filter.
Don't feel me.
That's what we getting changed out right there, the fuel filter. Poppy gonna get me right. That's all the years of that East Coast salt and snow. But for $2,000, I can't complain, man. Really good car. Great car. I've been to North Carolina, Georgia, and Mississippi in this car.
Arreglarse usted con esto también. Lo que quiero es que yo lo voy a subir encima. Porque este segundo. Ahí está. Déjale. Pero no, switch. Switch no puede. Pregúntale no. Switch is off, ¿eh?
Yeah.
Off. Va por la presión.
Pero ya, esos equipos que están ahí son fuertes.
That's the old one.
Mira, Mauricio, ve que va.
¿Ah? ¿Ah? Oh.
Cámara, ve. Está grabando, ve, para después llevarte a la justicia.
Si queda mal, espere, José, espere. Eso le falta aceite.
The new
Me
one.
llevan ahí.
New one. New one. New this.
Otra cosa. Está, yo estoy grabado, no me ha puesto a mí, por lo menos.
Baje.
JBH, my amigos.
Champion Mechanic. Champion.
Champion Mechanic.
Ese también va para la corte, ese también. Él mismo dijo Champion, me llegó, este fue que habló. Este sí, tráigame.
Yep, YouTube. Got some new shoes, new tires and rims. Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy KVs. These are the old tires that's coming off Fluffy. My work car, 04 Grand Marquis. Ran across a good deal down in Philadelphia. Had to grab them. Fresh tires with the rim, with the Grand Marquis rim. Do away with these. They done. They shot. I needed some tires and ran across the rim and the tire. That's right there. Yeah, soon right here on the front side. Yeah. I'm up here at New Brunswick Tire, right up here by Pine Street. I got all kind of interruptions, noise, air. Y'all bear with me. This is one of my top spots I be coming to right here in the city. Right here in New Brunswick, you know what I'm saying, Brunswick Tire, up by Pine Street.
Put the center caps on those new wheels, you're gonna have to get different lug nuts.
Oh, word? Okay.
Good.
No, it fit. Got the cap on. I don't think these came off of 06 or 07 maybe. Grand Marquis. Mine is a 04, but you know, the better. tires all the way around for right now. I'm gonna scratch that off the list. Got the tires. Next, I'm gonna get the shocks for the back. Get some new shocks back here. They need it. And I got the fuel filter coming. I've been rolling. It ain't giving me no problems or nothing, but I'm gonna change the fuel filter. I've been rolling. Give me a new fuel filter, and I got the air filter coming for the engine. Oil change, you know, oil filter. And that's it for right now. I know down the line I'm gonna go ahead and get my front suspension work. That's coming too. We're gonna redo the front, give me some ball joints and in and out of tie rods, all that stuff.
Yeah, the guy. Oh, yeah. I know who that is.
Yep, those are 100 times better than the old ones.
Where you want these? In the back seat again?
Yeah.
Air.
Mm-hmm.